Oppo launches Enco free wireless earbuds. Update price in India. Apart from the Oppo Reno 3 smartphone series, the Chinese giant has also expanded its audio accessory portfolio with the launch of the Oppo Enco free, truly wireless earbuds. The company first showed off the earbuds at its Inno Day 2019 conference earlier this month, but today we have got a lot more details on the features, price, and availability. Oppo Enco free, specs and features. Oppo's spin-off company Realme recently launched the Realme Buds Air, which clones the Apple AirPods design through and through. Oppo Enco free truly wireless earbuds, on the other hand, only draw inspiration from the AirPods. The earbuds and charging case design may look similar, but the Chinese giant has added its own flair to set Enco free apart from the competition. The charging case, as you can see, has the Oppo branding front and center with an LED indicator. There's a pairing and reset button on the right edge. It's the earbuds that will, however, capture your attention. They weigh merely 4.6 grams and offer you two ear tip options. Yes, you can either use the earbuds as half-in-ear plastic earbuds or attach silicone tips up front for a more secure fit. It's a brilliant idea and makes me want to test out these wireless earbuds even more. Oppo Enco free wireless earbuds feature 13.4mm dynamic drivers, coupled with the FPC positioning system, dual magnetic circuit, and composite diaphragm, for a more detailed and bass-heavy output. Oppo boasts that the Enco free can offer studio-quality listening experience. It supports dual microphone beam-forming tech and AI noise cancellation to offer crisp and clear voice calling. One of the highlights of the Oppo Enco free earbuds are the slide and tap touch controls. Yeah, you not only have the standard tap touch controls, which allows you to control the playback or answer calls, but there's support sliding touch controls as well. You can slide your finger over the left earbud stem to adjust the volume and change the track using the right one. It's possibly going to be my favorite feature when I get my hands on the Enco free earbuds. Also, the stem of the earbuds has an aura glow to make it stand out. Speaking of battery life, Oppo promises a total of up to 25 hours of music playback with the earbuds and the charging case. The earbuds sport a 31 mAh battery and offer up to 5 hours of battery life. They can be charged up to 4 times, to extend battery life by 20 hours, using the charging case, which houses a 410 mAh battery and takes around 70 minutes to fully charge the earbuds. It does not support wireless charging. Price and availability. Oppo Enco free truly wireless earbuds are priced at 699 yuan, around 7,100 rupees, in China and will go on sale from December 31st. These wireless earbuds will be available in 3 color variants, white, pink, and black. Which one would you choose? I'm a sucker for the black earbuds and that's all I see. Let me know your pick in the comments section. Update 1. Oppo has today launched its Enco free truly wireless earbuds in India at Rs. 7,990 and will go on sale from the 6th of March. It will be available in 2 color variants, black and white.